And go. Now, one of my favorite things is Grandma's Frappe.
So what we need to do is scoop we have raspberry sherbet and vanilla ice cream, and scoop that into the punch bowl.
These have been sitting out for just a minute.
Probably
That's how
just
you
pour
want
it right
them.
in.
Yes. Now I know you're thinking ice cream, what? This is actually a delicious drink, but we have to do this one first because you want to mix that around? Perfect. Okay, next we're gonna add in the Sprite. This is like my favorite. It's like a river float, but like 100 times better. It's just Christmassy. Now this, it kind of foams up a little bit, so sometimes you can't add all the Sprite at once because it's going to be foaming. Okay, you can let it rest for just a minute. Do it in increments. Good job. Good job, Ainsley. Just going to leave it there for now. We're going to just set this aside. Okay, so the next recipe we're making is our Instant Pot honey glazed ham, and it is ready to go. So we're going to put 1 cup of water into the Instant Pot.
1.5 cups.
1.5 cups. So if you want it in the juice, it's just not the water. Next, we're gonna make a little foil boat. So this is really easy. I just push it down in the middle and just make sure the foil is on the sides. Okay, you wanna do the sauce mixture?
Okay, so we've got 2 tablespoons.
Oh, way to eyeball one.
Yeah.
This is the yummy sauce that goes on top of the ham. What's this kind of plain ham on Christmas, right?
Half cup of honey.
This is a bad one, so it'll be easy to eyeball.
Make sure I got this right. Half a cup of brown sugar. You want to dump that in?
So good.
And brown sugar.
The glaze.
Then we have some cinnamon and nutmeg. Mix that baby up, right? Nice.
Okay, now. It's so yummy that you can flip it.
You're doing great. Great muscle
This
strength.
is just like, it calls for a 4-pound ham, did you say that? But this is just about a 3-pound.
That's okay.
So it'll still be fine.
Right? You can even do your 2-pound one too, and it will be just fine. It'll
That'll
just
be the same.
Yep, same cooking time. Puts in the pot. And I love this too because it is already like a pre-cooked ham. This is how you can make this so quickly. If it's not pre-cooked, it's gonna cook a lot longer. But this one's already pre-cooked and spiraled, and it just makes the world of a difference. And then we're just gonna put the rest on the top of it and on the sides because it'll probably seep down onto the side. Lots of times if you have a different one, you can just walk away, but this one we have to push start. So we're gonna go pressure cook, and then we just need to go 4 minutes. Mine, again, you have to put it as my 3 ingredients M&M fudge. So you dump those in. I'm gonna turn it to medium high heat. We're gonna dump 2 cups of semi-sweet. So I'm cooking a lot. Nice. Okay, perfect. And
Sweeter condensed milk.
okay. Go ahead and put that in.
Yep, it's pretty thick.
We're just gonna get a whisk. Okay, move into nuts underneath. Perfect. Here, I'll switch you. You wanna hold that? Thanks. Okay, looks good. Here we go. This baby out. Fudge is your favorite. I remember this. Okay, because fudge is your favorite, you are going to be the sprinkle girl. Press them in so then when the fudge hardens, the M&Ms will be stuck in there. That's what we want. Okay, fudge is done. We're going to set this aside too.
We're gonna get this frappe stirred.
Oh yeah, good idea. We always had frappe growing up.
Okay, just gonna give this another little stir. Add in a little bit more Sprite, but as I look at the time, things are a little tight.
Okay, we can do it.
We got.
We can do it.
We got to step it up. Okay.
Okay, now we're cheating a little bit with Christmas dinner because 30 minutes is not very long. We don't have a ton of time to make homemade potatoes, so we are using the prepped, ready to go mashed potatoes. They take about 4 minutes to cook in the microwave. So that's part of our prep. We are gonna prep the potatoes. We also don't have a ton of time for homemade rolls. I mean, that would cut it really close for 30 minutes, but so we're just gonna do store-bought homemade rolls. That's how our rolls are gonna be. Okay, next recipe is our Jell-O salad. Now we might have cheated a little bit and cut up our strawberries.
Ha 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 ha.
Who's Ensley?
I didn't do it. It wasn't me.
Okay.
We can't
I was
make
like,
it without it.
Did we not buy the cottage cheese? We got cottage cheese. Okay. Jello first, to the bottom. Then the Cool Whip.
Yep.
It's good luck you have to lick it first.
She loves
I don't like
Cool Whip. Okay,
Oh,
Z,
good.
give that a good
With
whisk.
ham. The ham is done.
Oh, it's the ham.
What's our time? Because those need to release for 10 minutes. Switch. Swap-a-roo. All right. Just got to get those granules. That no one wants like gritty as they bite into their.
How did you stir it that fast?
It's the sweater. It makes her have
Right. It's the pom pom right here.
Now the cottage
Cottage cheese now. We got this.
Okay, it calls for 12 ounces and this is 16.
Oh, just dump the whole thing.
Okay,
Thank
you like
you.
your cottage
I
cheese.
love cottage cheese. Okay. All right, that's looking good. Ooh,
Yeah.
potatoes. You want to grab them? They're going to be hot. You might need hot pads.
Smell those
Nice.
potatoes.
Throw them right over here. We'll let them cool down for a minute. Perfect.
Now we just fold in the strawberries. And these bananas sliced.
Okay. Go for it. Now you can make this with orange Jello too, and do like mandarin oranges if you don't have like
Well,
good
things are
strawberries
fine.
right now. But we want it to be more festive. Pink, red. It's Christmas dinner. We need festive.
There's only 7 minutes.
What? Really? Okay, then we just gotta get everything plated. Ooh, we still have. Ooh. Okay, keep going, keep going.
We got it.
Okay. Oh, this is looking so good. Okay, after we mix this, we need to check the frappe again. Right, we gotta add the rest of that. Mix in that ice cream. Okay.
Okay.
We're getting everything. Let's get everything plated except the ham. Okay, we got 6 minutes. I'm gonna stick the fudge in the freezer for like 2 minutes. We
Okay.
should have done that earlier. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. That's your warning. It's okay.
We can get a paper
It's
towel.
just messy.
You can lick it.
You lick that side. There you go. You want to plate the potatoes?
These actually smell really good.
Ooh, do you know where the butter is in the pantry? Yes. Go grab some of that.
Did you want the potatoes in here?
Yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna butter my roll because no one wants
Should I put Jello on, or is it
Yeah,
too soon?
put Jello on. That's fine. Put the Jello because we want the ham and potatoes next to each other. There we go. All right, we got it.
We're
We got it. Oh,
we're
we
cutting
got
it
We
close.
got it.
This is what's gonna be tricky if we make it in time. Does it smell like grandma's?
If you wanted to make ham gravy, these are the juices. We have 3 minutes. We don't have time for ham gravy.
Oh, it's really good.
Oh, and then you want that juice.
Right.
On here and on the plate, of course.
Everywhere. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Plated. Oh, fork. I need a fork. Yeah, this is good enough. Okay. 37. Stop. 26. Ooh, that is gooey fudge. Of course, we don't need vegetables. That's a little fudge, but we'll do. All right, we finished with just a few seconds to spare, even though we forgot the fudge till the very, very end. Okay, I am ready to taste test our dinner. How do you feel about it?
We're ready.
Okay, let's go. Let's just dive in.
Whoa, that's really good.
I'm gonna try.
Those are good potatoes, even though they were quick and easy.
Ooh, that is good.
For fudge now.
Smart. I'll go for
Dessert
veg too.
first.
Second, you had a potato.
It's really good.
Fudge is good.
Wow.
It could probably, I mean, fudge needs to set up a little
Yeah.
more, but
We had 30 minutes,
Right.
so we were hurry.
while you eat your dinner, your fudge will set up. We don't have a
You
knife
can
right here.
Smell it.
I'm just using my fingers. Sorry. Ooh. Yep, you need to try that.
No, I'm just gonna go like
Full
this.
Perfect. I feel good about it.
Wow, that's really good.
Mm-hmm. That's amazing for what?
That quick.
Cooked for 4 minutes.
Right? Okay. Rating of it, of the whole dinner, what do you think? I give the dinner a 5. Like, it's a good
Oh.
dinner
It's
for 30
so
minutes.
good.
30 minutes, really, if you were
Yeah.
strapped for time.
Right?
You can do it. You could go it
You
on.
totally could, especially if you have helpers in the kitchen. That
Yeah.
helps.
So I'm a 5.
5 and 5. Okay, your favorite thing? Ham. Your favorite thing?
Ham.
Ham, really? Okay,
It was so good.
I'm going back to the Jello. Has cottage cheese in it.